What do you observe, Mishal? Is it a wood or glass? Tell me, what is this material?
Glass.
Yes, it's a glass. Do you know how glass is made? From what, Mishal?
Yeah. From water.
From water. Did you remember?
Yeah.
Another material.
From seed.
Seed or look, seed or sand?
Sand.
Yes, from sand. Thank you, Mishal. Thanks a lot. So grade 2, glass is made from sand, yeah? And sand is solid or liquid, Abdul Malik? Yes, Abdul Malik? Abdul
Yes,
Malik?
teacher.
Sand is solid material or liquid material?
Liquid.
Liquid? Is it a liquid? Look at
Solid.
the
Solid.
Yes, it's a solid.
Can
So
I
we
go
must
to
change. We must change this material from solid first to what? From solid to
Liquid.
great. How? Who can tell me from solid to liquid? No, wait. Yusuf, keep yourself mute, please. It's not your turn.
bathroom?
You can. Okay, Omar, tell me, how can we change the material, the sand, from solid to liquid? How?
What, teacher? Teacher, what is the question? Teacher, you close your mic.
Sorry, what's wrong? Yes, Omar, okay.
Yes, teacher.
Again, Omar, yes, I'm sorry. Tell me, how can we change the solid material to liquid material? We can use heating or cooling. Yes, we must heat the sand or cool the sand to change.
Heat.
Thank you, Omar, great job. So we must change the material, and the matter changed grade 1 or grade 2, sorry, by cooling and heating, okay? By cooling and heating. So how matter can change? Matter changed by, okay, Elias, matter changed by?
Cooling and heating.
Thank you, Elias. Cooling and heating change the matter. Cooling and heating change the matter, okay? Okay, I have a matter for you, like this matter. It's I want, yes, Yusuf. No, Yusuf in bathroom. Yusuf, are you there or still? Okay, Ali Gamal. Ali? Ali.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what is this material? Is it a clay
Ice.
or ice? Yes, it's an
Ice.
ice. Can you see what happened to the ice now? Is it still ice? First, ice is liquid or solid, Ali? Liquid material or solid?
Solid.
Great, it's a solid. Look at the solid material. Now it's a change from solid to?
Liquid.
Great, how? Do you know how? Okay, Stephanie, thank you. Super boy, thanks a lot, Ali Gamal. Now we want Ali Abdullah. Ali Abdullah, not there, yeah? Okay, Arz. Arz, tell me, Arz, how the ice can change from solid to liquid, by cooling or heating?
It's heating.
Yes,
Heating.
and then how can we change back?
We will put in the freeze.
Cooling, yeah?
We will put
heating,
the water in. Yes.
So
In
first
the first
heating, yeah?
Yes. The first heating.
Yes, heating
Then,
the solid.
Then cooling.
Thank
And
you.
then put it in the freezer.
Yes. Thank you so much, honey. So grade 2 today, inshallah, I will tell you how heat changes clay and ice, okay? Clay and ice, okay? So I want you, Yusuf, are you there? Yusuf? Fahad? Fahad?
Yes.
Yes, do you know, Fahad, how heat changes ice?
Yes.
How? How heat changes ice?
I put it's kicked me out.
Okay, no problem, honey. Yes, Fahad?
In the freezer.
Yes, now this ice will change from solid to what when we heat it? From solid to,
Liquid.
yes, from solid to liquid. Thanks a lot. From solid to liquid. Okay, this is all about solid. Yeah, you want Ali Abdullah? Yes, Ali, welcome. Look at this. Don't be late, please, all of you. You must be on time, all of you. Yes, Ali, look at this shape. It's what? What about this material? Is it an ice or clay?
Clay.
Yes, it's a clay. Do you know how heat changed the clay?
No.
Okay, I will show you a picture and try to guess. Oh, look at the heat, how change clay. So first heat can change clay or no?
It can change.
Yes, heat can change clay. Okay, do you know how? Look. Okay, let me tell you, thank you, Ali, thanks a lot. Okay, we will go online and I will tell you how he changed the clay, okay? Keep yourself mute, please, all of you.
In this lesson, we're investigating how heating and cooling can have an effect on different materials. Check out the video of the artist blowing glass. What do you notice? How can you describe the glass when it's been heated? How is the glass in the video different than glass that you've seen before? In this activity, you'll be testing the effects of heat on different materials. To test the effects of heat on materials, you will use clay, a cup of ice, and a thermometer. Before we start testing heat and materials, let's make a prediction. How will a small amount of heat change some properties of clay and ice? Share your prediction with your small group, then select Continue. First, you'll measure the temperature of the clay. Very gently, press the clay onto the bulb end of the thermometer. Let the thermometer adjust to the temperature of the clay for about 20 seconds. Record the temperature in the data table. When you're finished, select Continue.
Look at the temperature of the clay. Now the clay starts from 20, okay?
Yeah.
Before, yes. Yes, 30, 40, see? Yes, so maybe 68, yeah?
Yes, 68,
Carefully
teacher.
remove the thermometer from the clay. Observe the clay. Record other properties of the clay in the table. What does the clay look like? What does the
Okay.
clay feel like? When you're
Yes,
finished
now.
recording, select Continue.
Okay, I want Rayis. Rayis,
Yes, teacher.
look at the clay. Now we have a clay before heating and this in our temperature, like now in cold temperature, okay? Now, what about the clay? It is hard or soft?
Soft.
Are you sure it's soft? Now, before you used your hand to make this clay, to bend the clay, before you bend it, okay? Or heat it by your hand. So it is hard or soft?
Yeah. Hard.
Yes, it is hard. Before it is hard. And what surface of this clay? Is it smooth or rough?
Rough.
Smooth or rough? Rough like the pineapple fruit, but smooth like the apple. So it's smooth or rough?
Smooth.
Yes, it's a smooth before. Thank you. Okay, let's continue. Thank you, Rayis.
Follow your teacher's instructions. Warm the clay using your hands for 2 minutes straight.
Welcome.
Keep the clay moving by rolling it around in your palms and squeezing it. When your teacher instructs you, stop warming the clay and measure its temperature.
Now,
Remember to
when you
gently press the clay onto the
in the case,
thermometer
you know, like
so
as
that
a heat, okay? Your hand make as a heat, yeah, for the clay.
it does not crack.
Yes.
Clay sit on the
Yes, of course.
for 20
Yes,
seconds.
temperature more.
After 20 seconds, read the measurement on the thermometer.
20 seconds to
Record the
79.
temperature in the table. Then, make observations using your sense of sight and touch. What does the clay look like now compared to when you first observed it? How does the clay feel now compared to how it felt before? Add these observations to your data table. When you have recorded your data, select Continue.
Okay, so let's tell me now after heat, what's your observation? Yeah. Who are you, iPhone? But someone without name, okay? Ziad. Yes, Ziad? Ziad? Okay, Asil. Asil Faiz.
Yes.
Yes, Asil. Look at the clay now after heat, okay? Now the clay,
Okay.
still hard or soft now?
Hard.
Now look, it's still hard or soft. You bend the clay and you can make different shape by the clay. So it's still
Soft.
hard or soft? Yes, it is soft and what? It's still smooth or now it's sticky to make different shape?
Yes.
It's sticky like the sticky note.
What?
Sticky. Like the sticky note. Do you know the sticky note?
No.
Okay, like a tape. Do you know the tape?
Yes.
Okay, now it's sticky like the tape.
No.
What's in your hand? Can it stick in your hand like the sticky note or the tape?
Yes. Yes.
So it's now soft and sticky. Now it is what?
Soft and sticky.
Yes, thank you so much, Asil. Now it is soft and sticky. Okay, continue.
Next, you'll investigate the effects of heat on ice. Measure the temperature of the cup of ice. Slide the thermometer gently into the cup. Let the thermometer sit in the ice until the temperature stops changing. Record the temperature in the data table, then select Continue.
You can tell me, what about the ice? I want...
Me to
Yes. No. Yeah, can you answer? Okay, Battal. Where are you?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Okay, Battal, tell me, what about the ice now? It is hard or soft or liquid?
Hard.
Hard, yeah. Can you see it's clear or wet?
Wet.
Now, it's clear or wet? Now it's
Clear.
still on ice. Yes, it's clear, okay? Thank you so much, Battal. Okay, and after heat?
Next, observe the ice with your sense of touch and sight. Describe your observations in the table, then select Continue.
Okay, now after heat, it will be? Okay.
Liquid.
No.
The water.
No. Nawaf, you don't answer, yeah?
Yes,
Nawaf?
teacher.
Yes, you don't answer, yeah? Okay. Nawaf, now tell me after.
I'm sorry, I'm raised.
Okay. But Nawaf, still you don't answer, yeah? Didn't answer? Yes. Still I hear Nawaf and Nuayman. Okay. Tell me, Nawaf, what about now after heat? What about this ice? Now the ice, it's still solid or liquid?
So still solid.
Yeah, look down. Now it's a change from solid to what? After heat, change from solid.
Liquid.
Yes, from solid to liquid. And now it's clear, yeah?
Yes.
Yes, it is wet. If you
Yeah.
put your finger, yes, it is wet also, wet and clear. Thank you, Nawaf. Okay, thanks a lot.
set the cup of ice in a sunny spot where it will not get moved or spilled. Let the cup of ice sit in this spot for 1 day. After 1 day, measure and record the temperature.
What? Wait, we will write together. Okay, now, thank you. Let's go to our- Yes. So again, first, how heat change the clay? Heat soften clay. How heat change the clay? Heat grade 1, grade 2, soften the clay. Look, make the clay soft. So we can say soften clay. Yeah?
Yes.
Heat soften clay. Okay? Heat soften clay. Okay, Nu'ayman.
Heat of clay.
Yeah, I want Nu'ayman. Please keep yourself mute, all of you. Nu'ayman. Nu'ayman.
Yes.
Yeah, let me
Yes,
ask you,
Nu'ayman.
Nu'ayman. Yeah, let me ask you how heat change the properties of the clay. Heat will what?
What?
Soften clay. Look at the clay. It's still hard or no? It is soft.
Soft.
Yes, so heat soften clay. Heat what?
Soften clay.
Yes, soften clay. Heat soften clay. Thank you, Nu'ayman. Yes, Muhammad. Muhammad?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, look at my picture. It is a heat, sorry, it's a clay or an ice?
Clay.
It's a clay. Tell me how he changed the properties of the clay.
Soften.
Soften, yeah. T is silent, don't read it. So say soften clay. Heat what?
Rain.
Again, soften
Soft.
clay. Heat.
Soften.
No, don't spell T. It is silent, okay? T is silent, okay? So say it again. Soften. Heat. Soften clay. Heat.
Soft clay.
Again. Soften. Soften. Heat what?
Soften.
Soften. He is silent. Heat. Soften clay. Heat what?
Soften.
Soften clay. Thank you, Muhammad. So number 1, the heat soften clay. Okay, and what about the ice? Who? No, wait. One by one. Thanayan. Yes, Thanayan.
Yes, teacher.
Look at the ice. Oh, how he changed some properties of the ice. It's still a liquid. Or, look at the ice. It's still a liquid or it is melt.
Liquid.
Sorry, it's still solid or it is melt.
It's solid.
Still a solid now or melt from solid to liquid.
Milk.
Yes, melt. So heat, yeah, heat will melt ice. Heat will melt ice. Again, heat will.
Melt ice.
Yes, heat will melt ice. Thanks a lot, Tanayan. Heat will melt ice. Okay. Yusuf, keep yourself. Yeah, stop your video. Okay. Was not answer with me today. I think no one. All of you's answer, yeah? Okay, so let me ask you again. Yeah, let me ask you again quickly. Yeah, quickly. Let me start with you, Arz. Arz, Thanayan, stop your video.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, so tell me how heat changed the ice.
Melt ice. Melt ice.
Arz, thank you. Okay, I want Elias. Elias,
Yes, teacher. Yes,
but
teacher.
how he changed clay?
Heat soften clay.
Soften clay, yeah? So heat will soften
Yes.
clay. Thanks, Elias. Okay, Yusuf. Yusuf Khalid. Yusuf. عبد الملك. عبد الملك. علي جمال. علي جمال.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Abdul Malik, where are you? Tell me, Abdul Malik, now heat, how heat changed some properties of the clay. Sorry, of the
Teacher,
ice.
Ali Jamal. Yes,
Okay.
teacher, Ali Jamal.
Yes, Ali Jamal. Okay, how heat changed the ice. Heat will what?
The ice from
Melt ice. It will what?
the ice melt. The ice melt.
Yes, it will melt ice, yeah? Melt. Melt meaning change the ice from solid to what, Ali? Yes, Ali.
Liquid.
Gamal. To liquid.
To-
Super boy. Okay,
to-
Abdul Malik and Yusuf Khalid. Anyone there? Thank you, Ali.
I'm Yusuf Khalid.
Okay, Yusuf, again, tell me how he changed clay.
What?
How he changed the material, the properties of the clay. Heat will
It'll be hot.
soften, soft. It will be soft. Soften clay. Heat will
Yeah.
clay. Again, heat will.
Softening clay. Softening
Thank
clay.
you. Okay, Abdul Malik, are you there? Okay, Battal. How he changed ice? Heat will okay. Fahad. Battal. Fahad.
Yes, I'm Fahad.
Okay,
Yes.
so heat will what?
Teacher.
Yes, wait, Battal, wait. Heat, how he changed ice, Fahad?
Teacher,
Heat
I answer.
Yes, this is the next time you can answer. Yes, Fahad, again, heat will what?
Yes.
Heat will what to the ice? How he changed some properties of the ice? Heat will soften ice or melt ice?
Melt ice.
Yes, super Yusuf. Okay, but Fahad, thank you. Fahad, again, sorry. Thank you, Fahad. Now, Battal.
Yes.
Again, Battal, how he changed the clay? Heat will?
What?
Heat will soften clay. Heat will?
Soften clay.
Thank you, Battal. Heat will soften clay. Okay. Nawaf.
Yes, teacher.
Again, Nawaf, how he change ice? Heat will melt ice. Heat will?
melt ice. I'm
Thank
sorry,
you.
melt ice.
Yes, thank you, Nawaf. Mish'al, how he change clay? Mish'al? Okay, Omar Maher.
Yes, teacher. I am Mish'al.
Yes, Mish'al,
Yes,
how
teacher.
he, okay, wait, honey, Omar, how he change clay? Heat will
Well,
soften clay. Heat will
open play.
soften clay.
Open play.
Clay, not play. Clay. Heat will?
Open clay.
Yes, thank you, Mish'al. Yes, Omar. And how he
Yes,
changed
teacher.
parts of the ice?
What, teacher?
How he changed some properties of the ice?
We heat it.
Heat will melt ice. Heat will?
Melt ice.
Thank you, Omar. Great job. Okay, Rayis. Again, Rayis, how he changed clay? Asil Faiz. Yes,
What,
Rayis.
teacher?
How he changed clay?
Yes.
Yes, quickly, Rayis. Heat will soften clay. Heat will?
Turn the clay.
Thank you. Yes, Asil. But heat will what for the ice?
Yes.
Heat will melt ice. Again, heat will.
Melt ice.
Thank you,
melt
Asil.
ice.
Yes, Tanayan. But heat will what for the clay? Tanayan.
Teacher. Yes.
Soften clay. Heat will
What?
soften clay. Heat will
12.
soften clay.
Soften clay.
Yes, soften clay. Thank you, Tanayan. Ziad.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, but heat will what for the ice? Heat will Yeah.
Equal ice.
Melt ice. Heat well.
Melt ice.
Thank you. Melt ice. Yes, Nu'ayman. Nu'ayman. And heat well. What for the clay, Nu'ayman? Muhammad Mus'ab. Yes, Nu'ayman. Heat well. Make what for the clay? Melt or soften?
Soften.
Thank you. Yes, Muhammad. But heat well. Soften or melt ice? Muhammad.
Melt ice.
Thank you. Yes, Ali Abdullah. Heat well. Melt or soften clay?
Soften clay.
Thank you. Heat well, soften clay. Okay, now let's go online. Open your book, all of you, on page 80. Okay?
80.
Yeah.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, unit 1. Unit 3.
Yeah. No, still we are in unit 2. Okay?
Okay. No, unit 2, unit 2. I don't have unit 3.
Okay. This page with you, okay? Book for page 80, okay? Page 80.
Yes, teacher, I open.
Okay, now you have this question. How will small amount of heat change some properties of clay and ice? Okay, so you must write your answer like this now. Write heat will soften clay and heat melt ice. Okay, can you write? Can you see well?
Yes.
Okay. Right, heat will soften clay and heat melt ice. Quickly, please.
Teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, just.
Heat
Are
will.
you sure we
Yes, right, this question. This answer, sorry.
page what, teacher?
Page 80. Look, Thanayan. Page 80.
18.
No, 80, honey. Just 80. Not 18. 18 means 1 8.
Finish.
Okay, super. Where are the others? Quickly, just 1 minute.
I'm finished. I don't
Yeah, quickly write.
finish. I finished. I'm finished. I am Snayan. Finish mean Iman.
Thank you. Okay, if you finish, you can leave. Thanks a lot.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Yes,
Okay,
thank you.
goodbye.
Goodbye.
I'm finished. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
I finished. Bye. Bye.
Bye, honey.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay.
Done. I finished on Yusuf Khalid. I get after.
Thank you. Leave, okay? 1 minute and then all of us will leave. Okay, thanks a lot. You will leave. Okay, I send the picture for you on the Telegram group. Okay. Until
1 minute again.
can-
Just 1 minute. I am Nawaf Salah. One again.
honey, you can write from the Telegram group. Okay. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day,
Bye.
nice week, and goodbye.
Bye.